friends. Happy Friday. And it's kind of a windy Friday here in southeastern Virginia, but we are here to invite you to our show today because today's our birthday show, y'all. It is mine and Suzanne's birthday weekend, and we have so much fun stuff lined up. Here she is, my baby sister. We have got a double giveaway today, y'all. That means we're giving away to 2 lucky live viewers a $25 store credit. So if you haven't ever joined us inside the app for the live show that happens at 12 noon Eastern time on Fridays, friends, it's always worth coming. Not to mention, it's just full of great information. We give stuff away, and we have specials. So what kind of stuff do we talk about? Well, we talk about what's blooming on the farm. Look, y'all, cool flowers are starting. How beautiful are these? This is Sweet William. So we'll show some blooming flowers. Then we talk about and list some of the flowers we're starting on the farm. And then, of course, the tools, seeds, and supplies that we actually do all that with. So this is your personal invitation. If you don't have our app, you can just comment app, A-P-P, right here in a comment, or actually a comment on any post of mine, and it'll DM you the link. Or you could just go to your app store and search Gardener's Workshop and get the app and be ready, grab your lunch. And we are partying today, y'all. So I got Suzanne for my 4th birthday. And we'll be talking more about all of that on the show today. And it's just going to really be a lot of fun. And not to mention, my seed room is busting, or my grow room is busting at the seams. And so we are in full blow seed starting, and we will be until about October, y'all. So come join us, get the lowdown inside the app, 12 noon Eastern time. And you have to be in the app to actually be able to enter for the drawing at the end of the show for the 2, not 1, but 2 giveaways today in honor of our birthday weekend. So get your lunch, get a beverage, and come settle in for an hour. And we will have great fun. And I can't wait to share with you guys what is blooming here on the farm. And it's starting, y'all. Flowers are coming. All right, folks, till we meet again. Ciao.